Yeah, hello. Let's check out these two questions on quadratic equation. And for these two questions also, we'll be using the formula method to solve for the value of s. Now, we may recall that the formula method is s equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2b. Now from here, okay, and also the general expression, we have a squared plus bs plus c equals to 0. So you can compare these two expressions together. So from here, you have the coefficient of s squared. Yeah, that means your a will be equals to 1. What is a be 1? And your b is minus 20. And the constant value, which is c is 64. So from here, you have s to be minus b minus, and your b is what? It's minus 20. So you have minus 20 plus or minus the square root of b squared. Your b is minus 20 there, so you have minus 20 squared minus 4ac. So you have 4a, a is 1. And you have your constant value, which is c, to be 64. Then all divided by 2a, which is 2 times 1. So from there, you have your c to be minus multiplied by minus, so you have plus. So you have, that means you have plus 20. So you have 20 plus or minus. Now, square root of minus 20 squared, the square of minus 20 will be 400. That is, minus square is minus times minus, that is plus. So you have 20 squared is 400 minus. So you have 4 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 multiplied by 64 is to give you 256. Yeah, all divided by 2, which is 2 times 1. So from here you have s to be 20 plus or minus. Now, your 400 minus 256 will give you 144. 144 divided by 2. So from here you have your s to be 20 plus or minus. Now the square root of 144, the square root of 144 is 12. So divided by 2. So either you have s to be 20 plus 12 divided by 2, or you have your s value to be 20 minus 12 divided by 2. So from here you have 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12 is 32 divided by 2. 20 plus, 20 minus 12 will give you 8. So you have 8 divided by 2. So from here, s will be 32 divided by 2. That is 16, and s is 4. So the two value of s in this expression is 16. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 and 4. So for the second part, we are given s minus 6 divided by s equals to 5. I want to solve this expression using the formula method. Now note, for the general expression for a quadratic equation, must be in terms of s squared, your s and the constant value. But this expression here doesn't look like this. So the first thing you need to do here, so you have s minus 6 divided by s equals to 5. So we need to make this expression to be something like this before we can solve using the formula method. Now from here, we can find the LCM. The LCM of this expression here. So this one is like s divided by 1. So the LCM of this will be s. 1 can divide the s, and s can also divide s. So s divided by 1 here will be s. So you have s multiplied by s. So you have your s squared minus s divided by s, that is 1. So 1 multiplied by 6, will be 6 equals to 5. So the next thing to do, you cross multiply. You cross multiply. So from here you have 1 multiplied by the value here. So you have s squared minus 6, and s multiplied by s 5. So you have 5s. So now we want to move this 5s to this other side. So it becomes s squared. And when you move this 5s, this plus 5s to this other side becomes minus 5s minus 6 equals to 0. Now this expression will look like this. Then we can solve this in the formula method. So from here, our a value will be 1, the b value will be minus 5, and the constant value, which is c, will be minus 6. So we have your s. I'll apply this expression in this formula here. So you have s to be minus b. That means you have minus 5. Your b is 5. And your b is minus 5. Plus or minus is square root of b squared. Your b squared is minus 5 squared. Minus 4 multiplied by a. Your a value is 1. And multiplied by minus 6. And your minus 6 is what? Your minus 6. Okay, so you have minus 6. All divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Your 1 is, 2 multiplied by a, so your a is 1. So from here you have s to be plus 5. That is minus multiplied by minus. So you have plus 5. Plus or minus. Now, your minus 5 squared is 25. That is plus 25. Your minus multiplied by minus, that is plus. That means you have 4 times 1, 4. 4 multiplied by 6. So you have 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So you have plus 24 divided by 2. So you have s to be 5 plus or minus 25 plus 24. That will give you 49 divided by 2. So you have your s to be 5 plus or minus square root of 49 is 7. So divided by 2. So from here you have s to be 5 plus 7 divided by 2, or 5 minus 7 divided by 2. So you have s to be 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 divided by 2 will give you 6. Or 5 minus 7 will give you minus 2. Then divided by 2 will give you minus 1. So this will be the answer to this question here.